Speaking test. Writing text 1 equal test 7. The diagram illustrated the structure and working principle of a hot air balloon. Highlight both its component and how it achieves lift. A hot air balloon consists of three main parts: the envelope, the burner system, and the basket. The envelope is the large balloon-shaped fabric that hold the hot air. The included components like panels, galleries, and the parachute valve, which is a self-sealing flap at the top that allows hot air to escape in the controlled manner to manage altitude. At the bottom of the envelope is the skirt, which help contain and direct the head upwards. Below the envelope is the burner, which is powered by propane cylinder. The burner mixes propane with air to produce a flame, heating the air inside the envelope. Since hot air is lighter than cool air, it rises, causing the balloon to lift off the ground. The basket suspended by ropes hold passenger and equipment by controlling the amount of hot air via the burner and parachute valve. The pilot can make the balloon ascend, descend, or maintain all altitude. Writing text 2 is 7. Bullying is a big problem in many schools. Bullying remains a serious issue in school worldwide, affecting student mental health, academic performance, and overall well-being. The cases of bullying are complex and often rooted in a combination of social, psychological, and environmental factors. One primary case is the lack of empathy and proper emotional education among children. Many bullies act out due to their own insecurities or a way to gain social power and dominance, especially in environments where aggressive behavior is either ignored or rewarded. In some cases, bullies are victims themselves, facing abuse at home, dealing with unresolved trauma. Additionally, peer pressure and the desire to fit in can push some students to engage in bullying to gain acceptance with a group. Another significant factor is insufficient supervision and response for school authorities. When teachers or administrators fail to recognize or properly address bullying incident, it creates unsafe environments where such behavior can derive. Moreover, with the rise of the technology, cyberbullying has become more prevalent, making it harder for school and parents to monitor. To address this problem, school must implement comprehensive anti-bullying policy that include clear reporting system, disciplinary action, and regular education on kindness, empathy, and respect. Teachers and staff should be trained to detect early signs of bullying and respond effectively. Additionally, parents need to be involved, creating open communication at home so children feel safe discuss their experience. Okay, thank you.